Because of the numerous speakers, the numerous requests, the large amount of interest in this study, we're going to hold it on 3 different days. We will have it all day on October 17th, half a day on October 24th in the morning from 9:30 till 12, and then conclude October 3rd in the morning, 9:30 to 12 also. During this time, we'll cover, first of all, the appeals process that OSSAA covers. Then we'll look at the finances and the cost to schools for the OSSAA and the benefits they provide. And our final one will be on transparency and integrity of the organization, this private 501c3 that oversees all of our school activities.
Well, we have schools hurting for money. OSSAA have $2 million in the bank. This is a nonprofit organization, and they have $2 million of the school's money, and the schools need the money. Some schools are losing anywhere from $10,000 to $50,000 to go to a playoff game during the playoff season. So that's the things we're going to look at, is the way that the money is spent. How come OSSAA has cars, big pension plan, high salaries, when our schools are absolutely, and the athletic departments are having to go out and beg for money to help supplement their athletic program. So it's not a Republican, it's not a Democrat issue. It's an issue for our kids of Oklahoma and our schools.
If we had any other issue in transportation, taxes, health and human services that had as many people contacting us from all the different areas that have been affected, there would be no doubt across this state the reason why that we need to check into it. We don't know what all the problems are, whether it's in transparency or any of the other areas, but we do know that we owe it to the citizens that we represent. We owe it to the school systems that we represent, and most of all, we owe it to the students.
Government entities pay dues into other entities. What role does the public have in the way of oversight over those entities when most of their income originates from the taxpayer and from a government entity source? And so the important concepts of Oklahoma's open records laws, Open Meetings Act, the debate is, should those also apply to those entities which exist primarily on taxpayer dues, be it funneled through government entities? And so I think the taxpayers have a compelling interest in this area, and there certainly needs to be a real deliberative look at openness and transparency policies applying in these venues. So hopefully we'll be able to make some progress on the transparency lines of subject matter as well.